பேர் மெனோலின். I'm an architect originally from Bangalore. But marriage ஆயிட்ட பிறகு my husband's from Pondi. So after marriage இங்கே பாண்டியில் செட்டில் ஆகிட்டேன். சின்ன வயசுலேருந்தே cooking has always been my passion and I love cooking food. I love experimenting with dishes. அதனால from when I was young ஒரு ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் இல்லை கேஃபே ஓன் பண்ணணும், ஒரு கேஃபே ரன் பண்ணணுன்றது it was one of my dreams. So marriage ஆயிட்ட பிறகு when I moved here, both of us நாங்கள் ரெண்டு பேரும் we wanted to do something apart from our respective careers, something extra. So அப்படி பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது this restaurant industry was one of the common platforms, ஒரு common interest-ஆக இருந்துச்சு. And that's how Flaming Pot came into existence. Flaming Pot is it's an initiative, and Arkyard Initiatives-ல ஒரு branch-ஆக இருக்குது Flaming Pot. So Flaming Pot பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it's a multi-cuisine restaurant. இப்போ ஏன் மல்டி குவிசீன்னு சொன்னால், இப்போது when all of us go out with friends இல்லை ஒரு குரூப்பாக ஃபுட் ஃபேமிலியாகவும் சரி ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸாகவும் சரி, when people go out to eat, ஒருத்தருக்கும் ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டேஸ்ட் இருக்கும். everyone will want to have something different to eat, different cuisine. அவங்க மூடை பொறுத்து they want to have food. So we wanted to cater to அந்த மாதிரி குரூப், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு friend circle we wanted to cater. So that's how we wanted to do a multi-cuisine restaurant. So yaar vandalo yaarku enna pidikumo that should be available with us, and that will be available with us. So abhi pathina in our restaurant we have everything from Chinese irukku, Indian, continental, tandoor, shawarma irukku, which comes under the Middle Eastern cuisine. And apart from that we have other kinds of common snacky food like French fries and rolls, adellamo irukku. And our important motto is we want to provide a good quality food. So நம்ம வெளியே சாப்பிட போகும்போது என்ன குவாலிட்டியில் ஃபுட் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுறோமோ, we wanted to be able to provide that quality of food to our customers. So meato seri, vegetables seri, oil seri, and all the groceries, it's all fresh in our restaurant. Annanike vaangi annanike use pannuvom. We don't carry over anything to the next day, cooked or uncooked. Nothing is carried over to the next day. It's all bought on that day. Annike senju annike we finish it. So everything is here. Everything here is fresh. Adhe mari cook panni vekkiradilla, cook panni vechi sood panni tharadala illa. On orders we cook food. So everything you get out here will be of good quality. And we are introducing many dishes which is new to Pondi. So Pondi la paakada nariya dishes we are introducing. For example, tandoori momos. And இப்போ ambience பற்றி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, as is a very cozy ambience, ரொம்ப ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக இருக்கும் with lovely music in the background. And very friendly atmosphere, staff was heavy, and the atmosphere we want to bring about is very friendly. And one of our other principles is, இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா in Pondi மட்டும் இல்லை, wherever you go, if the ambience and the experience நல்லா இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி ஃபுட்டோட காஸ்ட்டும் ஹையாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இப்போ நிறைய people know when we go out to eat with friends or family, we want to have food in a very good atmosphere. We wanted to provide that kammiyana price la. We wanted to provide good quality food and in a good ambience. That is one of our principles. So neenga enga restaurant la pathina, when people come in, they immediately fall in love with the ambience and the music and the lights and the seating and everything. They immediately fall in love with it. And menu பார்த்து ப்ரைஸஸ் பார்த்த பிறகு they get very ரொம்ப சர்ப்ரைஸ் ஆகிடுறாங்க. இவ்வளோ அழகாக வச்சுருக்கீங்களே, your prices are so small and so less, I mean. So they get very happy. And that's the kind of happiness, that's the kind of experience that we want to be able to provide. So there shouldn't be any compromise in the quality of food. And prices in the ஏற்றமோ இருக்கக்கூடாது. Prices should be affordable, quality of food should be good, and the experience the users, the diners get should be top notch. So that is our principle. If you are looking to have a good experience with great quality food and affordable company price la, if you're looking to have a good time with friends, please visit us on Flaming Pot in Lenin Street.